Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Intellijel Metropolix Audio Sequencer and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If the sequencer keeps crashing or is not functioning properly or doesn't seem to be working or connecting to things properly, to troubleshoot any kind of connection or functionality issues, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step. The other reason you might want to do this is if you're selling it or if you bought a used one or something like that and you want to just restore it to the out-of-the-box factory defaults. The only thing that this will not reset is the presets that you put on it. Other than that, everything will be restored to its factory default settings. So if we want to do that, it's quite easy to do. All we need to do, first of all, is turn the device off. And then with the device off, we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold the setup button for several seconds. And while we're holding the setup button, we're going to then turn the Metropolix back on. And when we continuing to hold the setup button. And when we do that, that will trigger the device to reset to its factory default settings.